Let's get your red pen ready and check answers. Flip, slide, turn, turn, flip, slide, slide, turn, flip, turn, slide, turn. Next page, practice 3. Slide, flip, turn. We did that together. And anytime it's wrong, make sure you fix it with red pen. Here we go. Slide, flip, turn, turn, slide, flip, flip, turn, slide, flip, slide, turn, turn, flip, slide, and slide, turn, flip. Here's the final page for today. What you have to do, make sure you read the instruction carefully. It says, let's read it together, draw the flip of the shape. So you take this shape and you have to draw a flip of this. When you do this, I want you to make sure you use a ruler because we want straight lines. This one's easy because the dotted line's already there. Okay, easy one is done. Let's do B together. Reading it, draw the, ready, go. Draw the turn of the shape. This one, it's not a flip. Now you have to draw a turn. Okay. When you start, make sure you're careful where you're starting. If you start way over here, you're going to run out of space. Okay. I'll just choose this dot. And you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots. We're going to turn it this way so we can go 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down. Use a ruler. Draw the line. We just drew that. Next we can draw this one. You'll go 1, 2 diagonally. 1, 2. And then 1, 2, 1, 2, and finish the shape. This is a turn of this first picture. Work on C. It's a slide. D is a flip. E is a turn. F is a slide. G is a turn. And H is a flip. So make sure you're careful which one you're doing, or else if you do slide for the wrong one, the answer is going to be wrong. Okay. Finish this page and you'll be sending it to your teacher. For next week, we'll be working on this page, but you'll need to color it, and you'll need some dark marker. So get markers ready. You can color it with marker. It's easier for me, but you can also use color pencil if you don't have a marker at home. That's for next week. So when you come back next week, make sure you have a pencil, a ruler, pencil, I dropped it, pencil, ruler, an eraser so you can erase if you make mistakes, and then markers. Any color is okay. See you next week, and don't forget to send your homework in. Bye!